Hi, and welcome to Kohlwa Junior Kanye. This episode is brought to you by World Sports Betting. Hashtag bet with the best. Hashtag WBS Sports Betting. My name is Nhlanhla Sichele, and I'm invading the space today talking about the match analysis over the Orlando Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns game. That was arguably one of the best games this season so far because a lot of things were on stake. Mara vandaag Mplumina is a sevuta. Two from Vuta, and I'm the only one from Mikasi, so it's Ikasla Makas. We're going to be talking about the Junior and Michael Nkambule. Michael, welcome. This is Junior's platform, and I'm invading. The only man that at the age of 15, wahlala kanje, no say Alex Ferguson. One day so khuluma ngayo ne.
Yeah.
Mara vele vandag is khuluma nge-Sundowns and Orlando Pirates.
Yeah.
So let's talk about the game itself and what we anticipate. And like before singene game in, let's talk about the pre-game, what we led up to before it came in, what our expectations were, and were the expectations met. Michael, ukusuka kwe-game, what were you anticipating?
No, mina into engayisho wena Nhlanhla ngiyabonga futhi ngeplatform ngiyabonga futhi ukuthi ningibize lana ukukhohlwa ukuthi ngibe lana. Thanks for the opportunity. Into engayisho wena Nhlanhla kule game besithi masibhekile before le game we thought ukuthi Sundowns izovela nje izwine le
Imashe.
game nje izimashele nje so simple yabo.
Sure.
Kanti hayi uJose Rivero kanti bekaphethe elinye plan. He came with a different tactic to the game there.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's why he's born in the mesh azange ibe ngale ndlela besicabanga ngayo.
Next.
Yeah.
So when before the game, bocabanga ukuthi iscore kuyoba imali because the last score was 4-1.
Yeah.
So kule game le mawubhekile wena mawucabanga bowubheke ukuthi kuyenzakalani.
No, mina izinto ebengibhekile wena Nhlanhla ngizokutshela iqiniso. I thought ukuthi vele iPirates bezowina kule game le.
Before the game
Yeah,
iqala.
before igame iqala.
Even
Bengina-
after leya 4-1.
Yeah, benginayo lento ngoba wonke umuntu ukhumbule ukuthi phela iSundowns meqeda ukuthi iPirates wonke umuntu bekana lento le ukuthi iSundowns izobaphinda.
Sure.
And if uyalazi ibhola ukuthi linjani, the more iPirates idliwe 4 phela nabo they were disappointed ngale ya 4. And then ngapha ba number 2 elikini ba chase yona iSundowns.
Sure.
So bengeke bavume ukuthi baphinde futhi lento le.
All right.
Yeah.
Rastand. Junior, towards the game, obviously, like we're saying, it was 4-1, the last encounter that Orlando Pirates had with Sundowns. When about before the game iqala.
Yeah, and Nhlanhla, mina bekunama expectations, especially citing the Sundowns. Sundowns, the profile of players individual. Pound to pound, you can't over compare with Pirates. Pirates, they more rely on individual brilliance. Fuking, Lomfano Nkotha, sometimes come to the party, Mabaso, and also Tito Masangai.
Absolutely.
I was not too sure ukuthi uzodlala orangeke mara kunenye game before the game le yale build up le game engimbona phuma ungene as a sub he was limping uyawathasheka but I think game ngokunderstand iSundowns ukuthi previous years for the past 5 years ama game njengalawo iSundowns bawathatha normal yabo psychological I think they come prepare kulama game so Nhlanhla mina benginama expectations bengazi ukuthi Sundowns iyo dominator Sundowns each and every game badlala the way bafuna ngakhona yabo the identity Sundowns is a national team I mean those players if bafika
Junior now.
yes if Sundowns ifika ku Africa Cup of Nation AFCON ku semi final ngasho ukuthi Sundowns I will say is bafana because about 8 or 7 players started there and bengaboni mina iPirates stopper iSundowns yabo though the game plan a coach I think it works Nhlanhla yeah well done to Jose Rivero but the current performance yakho determine your future mina for me isebenzile ngalela langa Nhlanhla I need to be honest njoba ngisho nje yeah ukuphendula nje Nhlanhla simple bengibheke a heavy score 3-0 bengibhekile mina
Sure.
yeah
3-0 yonke.
3-0 4 bengibhekile yeah
Okay, so the prize money, remember it was 15 million, got 20 million. So there's a lot at stake and looking at gap, right? Before the game started, Pirates is a move, ngama game, and then Sundowns is ahead, right? So obviously, to anybody, it looks like it's a wrapped up league already. Up until the game ya Saturday. Do we still confirm ukuthi game say wrap up or kunezinto ezingayenzeka? Sizongena egamini, siyeza phakathi egamini.
Yeah.
But I just want to understand where the mindset of the people are at. Ukuthi, if I'm an Orlando Pirates fan, right? Did that game give me hope? If I'm a Sundowns fan, am I starting to lose hope simply because of that game?
Yeah, mina Nhlanhla just ukuphendula Sundowns they hardly lose games. Yeah, but after that game, Faith, Sundowns they are themselves who have to pick themselves up. Yibe kumele bazikhuphule Nhlanhla those players. But njengoba ngitshela those players they've proved themselves years, yabo 3-4 years. Pirates, well done to players at Orlando Pirates coming prepared. Psychological, any team beyolimala coming to play against one of the best team in Africa as a continent. Bengizolimala, but well done to ngikhuluma ngalo mfana uMbokazi is a young star, talented. There's talent in the boy. If ubambu Ribeiro, quite well done. Psychological Paris players must apply and it works. Nalo mfana Mfukeng, we're talking about the boy second season, one of the best talent I've ever witnessed. Yabo. And well done about contributing in terms of developing. So psychological Pirates players, well done. And also the coach for planning a sevens and the technical team is support AP. And equally hope go Pirates now.
After the game.
Yes, because
Sure.
I'm a game in hand. Yes, I think it's 4, if not mistaken.
4 games.
Sure.
4 games. Equally hope. If they win all the games, the difference will be 3 points.
And then it goes down to the wire.
Yeah, Pirates, Sundowns, ukuya kimi Nhlanhla. Gibo, they believe they're gonna win this league. And but this thing because these guys they bunny men said to win. But set the standard Nhlanhla. And the type of players they've signed. We're talking about Thabo Mokoena, Jaden Adams, how much they spend there. I'm players I ask what is expected from them. So sometimes they believe they will win. They still, yeah.
What do you believe?
I mean, Nhlanhla, the way you are playing now determine your future. So sometimes their identity, they lost the game, but with pride. They dominate the game. I think Pirates came with a plan, but sometimes they dominate the game. Just that they hang up being able. I mean, I believe sometimes they won the league. For me, I believe
So
sometimes
you
already.
believe with Sundowns?
Yeah.
Asizwe.
I mean into engayisho Nhlanhla ukuthi njenge Pirates manje ne kulama game in hand wabo into ezodetermine into ezobonisa like a different thing. I think iPirates if ngawina wonke lama game wawo ama game in hand izofaka ipressure ku Sundowns. So the only thing mina for mina ezodetermine the league it's all about lama game in hand asele la way4. Because if they win these 4 games they're going to be closer to Sundowns. So Sundowns now manje angeke isafuna ukuthi drop ama point. And emasodlala kunjalo yabona ukuthi nawo sodlala usebazodlala nabo bathukiwe nabo. So I think ukuthi Pirates ukuthi mangawina lama game wabo i4 izofaka ipressure ku Sundowns. Angeke kube ilama league bese wabukela le previous leagues whereby Sundowns win league nga 7 games to go. I understand kanjani but I think Pirates if mangawina le 4 games so iproblem uyazi ukuthi na le 4 games game in hand like ifana ukuthi ama point.
True.
Yebo. So if bangawina le 4 game I think bazoyifakela ipressure Sundowns.
Mara wena uthini? Junior uthi Sundowns has wrapped up the league. Wena uthini?
Mina ngithi league ayikapheli.
Wena uyiphabani ke league?
League.
Njengoba ingakapheli uyiphabani.
No, angeke ngizomuphi league manje is between Sundowns ne Pirates but into engishoyo I'm going to see after the 4 games if Pirates they win these 4 games ngizosho ukuthi
So mele sikhulume after 4 games wena uthi after 4 games uJunior uthi it's done.
yeah mina ngisabanika le 4 games
Wena usabanika
ngisabanika
ama
le
4
benefit of a doubt yeah.
All right, fine. Let's come back to the game itself, right? Looking at the starting lineup, ama injury ngapha nangapha, but with Sundowns, right? Like what Junior is saying, Uti, they've been dominating,
Yeah.
and there's been a consistency
Yeah.
in every game that they play, even if they've changed coaches, but nothing tactically has changed because they've been applying their mind. They've been doing what they've been doing all along. But there was a point in time where I think mindset-wise, the players were not so sure how to apply themselves. And then after coach aqeda ukuhamba uManqoba left, and then the new coach came in, kuke kwaba nento engathi iyabuya. Somehow it kind of looked like Sundowns was going to lose the season while Manqoba was still there. What do you think changed? And coming into this game, what is it that the boys really applied, even if they lost the game in 5 minutes?
Njengoba ngisho Nhlanhla ngithi njenge Sundowns iSundowns has been a team edominator for the long time vele. Ukuchange kwama coach doesn't change anything about them. because uyabona ne-quality elapha you can see now ukuthi they don't just buy any player it's only quality players who are there ama-player akwaziyo ukuthi azocompete but kule game le ya-weekend le njengoba ngisho ukuthi i-Pirates nayo coach wakhona ngimshayela izandla ngoba he saw the game ukuthi i-Sundowns is a team sonke siyayazi they like playing shoot yonke igame abazoyidlala bazoyidominate in terms of position but uRivero mhlawumbe uzibuzile ukuthi do I need points or do I need position because i-Pirates nayo it's a team who likes to play hlale siyibukela i-Pirates vs Sundowns yi-game emnandi eSouth Africa because bayaya pound to pound bayalandana but we saw Sunday ukuthi uRivero ubonile ukuthi no mangiyana bo pound to pound bazongishaya abantu so that's why I opted ukuthi eze nga-3 ama-center back ukuzominimize lama-spaces we-Sundowns because Sundowns into abayithandayo they like ukuthi bagijime behind the defenders bandonse ngoRonwen uRonwen it's a weapon for bona because ufana nokuthi is not a goalkeeper he's a playmaker naye ngoba ama-passes wakhe dangerous the more kunempressor baphuma simple and then so i-Pirates is in a strategy ukuthi okay let them play sibalinde deep because if you can check the way i-first half yonke azange ubone i-Sundowns even one player running behind the defense Pirates everybody they were playing in front of the Pirates that's why azange babe i-threat kangaka ku-Pirates into this game they didn't create so much chances
Ivar I think Sundowns coming to this game nabo they were overconfident confidence was so high ku-Sundowns ngendlela ukuthi as more overconfident sometimes you lose the concentration it's a two-way more overconfident sometimes you win or you lose yabo ziningi into abalekhe kuzo kule game ukuba overconfident kwabo I think I've been saying Nhlanhla mina these Reiners and Shalulile front three including Ribeiro doesn't work understand doesn't work you need a proper left side player that also complement to Ribeiro we understand you cannot rely on Ribeiro in terms of attack Sundowns he's doing a lot for Sundowns he's lucky not get injured I think what Pirates did mabayenza gameplay nabo they pocketed that guy they told him Bogas good wherever the guy goes you need to go with him and the boy was smart enough to exactly credit to Mfana ukuthi abe coachable and then once you close that guy I mean it was done because now Ribeiro wins a lot for Sundowns he's a playmaker but he creates a space for himself he can score he can assist the guy is very dangerous skillful he takes shot and goalkeeper my pocket here in Sundowns I don't think they will function especially with last state but now Shalulile I think njoba ngisho coach has been getting away ngayo playing uShalulile neRenas you can't play both of them and then using uShalulile on the left hand side it doesn't work now Shalulile yamdemand amela cabange he can't think that guy is a goal poacher you need to choose between him and Renas njoba ngisho get away kwamanye ama game but kule game I think credit to Sundowns with him you just sit with him you assign somebody to stay with him dlala nga-3 center back like Michael has said is saying manje ukuthi udlale nga-3 center back and ispanile to Orlando Pirates ukuthi le space bayazi badlala ngama-pocket bavale la baclose la inside and then Sundowns now le nto ama-wing back they were exposed because uMakgopa I think basale ngaye up front him and nalo mfana uRelebogile and uMakgopa I think instruction ukuthi you must go on the left hand side umdiba uzohamba and this guy Suarez will drop akana speed I don't think this guy is a primary job I don't think he's a defender naye I think he lacks defense these are South Americans banayo lo jive nama Brazilian yabona Uruguay you hardly get the defender who can defend properly so a primary job I don't think we understand and then abo mabamsign ababheka ukuthi the guy is good on the ball and stuff he was exposed he was tested and exposed on Saturday well done to this boy because he was a different on Saturday Relebogile Mofokeng he never had a good game but the best thing would you maybe was coach sheet so mfana create a story for himself
and in a very short space of time because honestly like I think the first goal went in 2:30 and then like sisathi sithi siyabheka ukuthi okay what's happening the second goal was in and I think the pressure that it put on Sundowns made their game so difficult that I think the frustration was visible in all the players because like bebangasazi ukuthi bayenzeni and then the best thing to do was to close down where they can and then Pirates was defending throughout the game they didn't really put in their best foot forward what they did throughout the game is just defend this 2-0, and they almost lost it after Umudao scored that goal, applied pressure, but looking at the time, isikhathi ke besisiba favor. So looking at Relebogile, what do you make of him as a player and why he scored as early as he did with that confidence that he had?
Yeah, for me, I'm happy for the boy. For the past 2 months, Mfana was off. I mean, I can understand. Nama was once a youngster, a darling of South African football, true. But the boy, with the Wenyi generation, we can't compare him with anyone. Mfana, it doesn't happen this often. Mfana first season, get a call up Bafana, not even junior national team. So the more set the stand up, the more you go up, the pressure by your amount. So, Mfana lo qale kahle season. This season was a contender of player of the season for me. But to repair after the game, I think we repeat. Psychological, I think Mfana. Coming to this game, Pirates have been relying on this guy, this boy, no Tito. Yeah, for a while, Pirates have been getting away. Ulu Mfana over change the game. It's a game, it's a match winner, game changer. Him and Tito. Mabaso is hanging him that much, but compliment now, we have a compliment because we are good position and stuff. But Mfana coming to that game, I'm happy. I don't think we're going to my expectation go game because he was off for 2 months. So it's Guye, but with the course Mfana. And I was surprised he Sundowns because Mark Umdao, I don't think we got expected and I want to go Mfana. Mfana, we bang him position. Yes, Pirates might lose the ball. He started on the left, his shape, but he was running, cutting in, coming on the right. Sometimes occupy the pace him and Mahopa. Well done to the coach and. I think a suspect. Nkulego mentioned something very important Saturday, Sunday. Sundown defense. And now, Mantema the game repeat. And it's true. Each and every game, it looks like Bagas will consider. And Udalanga trade the back, Wateka wing back, and those are not natural defenders. Unless Udalanga no this guy Ulibusa. But this Suarez, if you play him, where's Magadalanga Lumfan Malbonga cause? Uzoba exposed. Namanje. If Pirates in Jebe, but cheat a front three, but I told only 5. Yeah. Yeah, if sometimes being I told because Atlanta they were exposed, they peg Beba vulnerable, Beba scattered too much. Angaz my kid.
No, Nenito like inte when they over exposed. I think another system of because there was a lopsided on the right to Mudiva. There was no one who was a winger for the Pirates. So what they did, they were 70 to Van Rooyen for their line. So Van Rooyen he had a good game, but if na begana decision wakwenza decision wrong kakhulu because if decision making yakhe be right ngabe bayilimaze kakhulu sometimes because begana ukuluza amabhola wepha umbona ukuthi ku good position ukuthi iPirates ingakora and so I think uMakgopa na uba exposed because ubabonisile nabo ukuthi like sometimes abafuni ukumarka like bayenze lento abadlala behind the strike like when team uthola abantu abadlala to space kuba difficult for defenders ukuthi badile nabantu abanjalo because uMakgopa if bombek into bekayenza makasuka mabaphethe ibhola Van Rooyen uvela phuma ngespeed behind bona ile then once bypass up behind bona sekunenkinga ukuthi bayimaka ngoba everyone is facing there mongabheka uMakgopa kule game I think kule game usebenzile uMakgopa bebahlala bamnyatsa bathi inini but uMakgopa hayi usebenzile and I think in the system coach it works very well because if you are check uMakgopa umakaya ka right umfukeng he was no longer a winger so kuba ngathi they are playing a striker boyithu that's why bakhonile nale ya first goal ukuthi bayithole so simple
it was too simple. We always complain after each game about the standard of refereeing. What was the standard like of that particular game? Because like I've not heard anybody complain about anything. I don't know what you guys make of that.
Yeah, nenye ntangisha makulo ko refer. Phela mongabheka yazi ureferee qala complain na kuba nama complaints whereby umuntu lenye team erojiwe ngalelo goal but if we are check ama goals they were fair. Both goals were fair so akekho umuntu bekazokhala ngo referee.
Standard of the game?
Akubanjwanga inkunzi. Saturday zangisibona inkunzi banjwa. If makudlala ama team ayichu we're going to see the quality of football technique, movement of the ball, the skill, dynamic game idlala nge-intensity high. Uyazi ubona i-passing game. Mina ngithanda ibhola game edlala ngama department. Though iPirates bedlala maximum football, yabo. game Kevin Hunt, and well done Ispanile Joseph. Mama game winner ugly mfethu. But you're creating a history. Beat one of the biggest team, one of the big team in Africa as a continent. So the standard of refereeing, well done to the referees. Zanga panic lo mchita. Kunama foul bobona ngathi seboxini uthola ukuthi ayakangeni yabo, and makunama fans inhlanhla. A fan it's supporter number 12. Player number 12 I mean to say. So omunye umuntu makudlala Chiefs and Pirates Sundowns kuba ne hype yabo referee njengale game. Kunama game I can't go back and mention ama team, but kunama game I change my fans ama decisions yabona ureferee bamchinja ama fans. So well done to the guy. Compliment. I wish I won't say he must keep it up, he must maintain, he must keep it up. So well done. Sengisho nama lineman wakhe, also the fourth official. Yeah, well done to the referees.
And the substitutions that were made in that game, was there any impact from Sundowns or Pirates that sort of changed anything? Because I think towards just looking at the game, there was a lot of consistency. Whether the players came in or not, to me, it looks like they were simply like applying on that copy, like there's nothing that changed. Were there any significant changes in the substitutes?
Mina into engibonile like kulama subs we Pirates, like the first sub uRibera yenzile whereby yazofaka uPaseka Mako and then akhipha uDlamini. I think kule sub yena yele yamshaka kancane lapha. I think if you want to maintain, obviously lapha yena bekazeleni he wanted ama point. If I get 3 points saying right, mina, you understand, and then ukhipha uDlamini uthatha uRayleigh umfaka as a number 10 bese uthatha uHoto uyamthatha uyamshifta from emuva umisa forward. For mina I think uHoto bekumela miyekele lapha. If mhlambe bekafuna ukhipha uDlamini khona uNdlondlo khona uGoodman Musele, I think isabhe kumele ngabe we introduce it at that time, because yana vele bobona ukuthi like into ebekayenza ufuna ukuvana ishop, into bese kayifuna ama point kuphela.
Phela bese kawatholile. Wena bozoyenza.
That's my point. Ukuthi modlala njenge team eSundowns already so ikorile nga first 5 minutes so not two already. Uyayibona ukuthi and beyibonisa ukuthi uJose naye bekangafuni ukuthi iSundowns akhonsile. First thing ubonisile uze nga 3 ama center back. Weza ngelopsided ngapha sidlala without ilonto Pirates bedlala without iwin. So I think but imsebenzele le system yakhe ngokuthi athole nalama early goals ngoba kuba zanga athole lama early goals. I think bekazoba ne problem, but I think yena uyibambile ne Sundowns lapha kule lonto zana ngeSundowns.
Yeah, I think Sundowns Salas, the guy have been critical kulo mchita lo ya. He did very well. He brought another dimension, compare Shalulile, the movement of the ball, receiver bona kuma open spaces whereby not to receive like my opponent, you understand, doesn't lose the ball cheaply. Nale goal is elkore, I mean bekumele kube foul kuye but ureferee nika advantage and then la fika kurenas cheap. The boy uyinika iproblem Pirates defense. Though bebadlala ngama center back ay 3 because babadlala nga 3 center back but bamarka zonal. They were sitting I think second half. Yes, first half bebamba no repair this point Bogas. Yabo well done, but second half I think they told him good miyeke maka drop at yabon a center and they just sit name and just shape. So marka zonal this guy maka drop ala usales decision making akhe be vital and uyoyinika problem akangena. Now beyanga run wide bekala kule pace because the Pirates marka zonal and I think the Pirates ukuthi bakhiphe this guy uKabelo Dlamini. I think the coach bekumele ifake winger right forward, you understand, this boy in quarter leave Rebekhle Mfokeng there on the game. You understand, udlala nga 2 left and right forward, play like a previous Pirates idlala ngama wing left and right, kube nama attackers become attackers, midfielders become midfielders. Also I think game reading yaka coach abo Jose Rivera kula ngequestion akhona, including naye this guy we Sundowns game reading yabashala abo coach be PSL. Lo mfana uLindo uhlala imention at this thing and lento bengayinaki, which is true. Lo Lindo Pep we are mentioning with coaches bashawa reading ukready game, which is true. Lento lenhlanhla ivara uJose Rivera kule game Pirates didn't play in the middle, they needed to maintain the game. Michael Wright magathi Ndlondlo mawenze sub kaKabelo Dlamini yenze ngoNdlondlo, if ukhipha uHoto ngoba uHoto bekadlala ka right cutting in, mhlambe mawufuna ukhipha uHoto bonga uthatha uHoto meseka left, mhlambe ukhipha maybe one of the midfield ngenza nje example mangabe mhlambe uKabelo uyamiyeka ufaka iwing e1 udlale nga2 which is umakhehleni mhlambe nayo talent embatha that's all and then ufaka iwing e1 i-attack abe balance ngoba sometimes they were chasing igame beku easy ukuthi ikore igame igoal and also to maintain igame because mawudlala nga2 i-Sundowns bakhiphe this guy lo strike owe defend center back uSuarez and then bafaka umrena to aid the attack bese ivulekile igame I'm sure azange akwazi ukuthi uyayifunda igame but well done uJose Rivero mfethu because at the end of the day Sundowns had one chance and score but it was not enough.
So looking at the last dying minutes of the game, because that's where Sundowns looked more dangerous, especially after the goal Kamutao came in. They looked like they wanted it more. But again, the chances were just not coming as much as they should have. But then again, there was that crossbar, Airshai crossbar. And then that should have been a goal. So that's why when Uti Kahle score 2-2. Is that what you're still saying?
A game in.
Because I think it was in the first half, like Shai corner, it was
was still, yeah.
But then that goal was not converted. And then obviously in the second half, Mutau scored the only goal of the game that actually went through.
Hlandla goal le nhloko. Well done to Upright. Yabo. Unlucky for this guy uKekana at the back because we hit the bola. Ushayine bekamile la. Yabo. But ngisasho compliment defensive Pirates. They were solid, they worked very hard. Two midfielders, they never play. In terms of playing, azange bashwa but defending, keep shape, well done. Talent imbatha namakhihleni. Ngithema ngibukele repeat game. Bayincedile because Van Rooyen was as Michael saying going more forward. Ngimbonile mase ngibukele igame endlini. Van Rooyen if really iPare iSundowns njengoba ngisho na Jose this guy Caruso. Sometimes you need to play a natural attackers. Winger and left. Na bekamfuna lo mfana uLihlaku. We understand lo dlala ngo left he was bekakhona ebenchini reading the game second half kuya ngalo mfana eliminate uShalile Orenas yeah mhlambe bekana listing ukuthi uShalile scored 100 goals now you will wanna go to 101 102 the guy was not even in the game you were playing against proper players who are technically so good bekumele ube smart now as an attacker so yeah mfethu another well done to Orlando Pirates fethu I think they deserve to win that game lo mangathi angideserve abayideserve. Yes, true. If you can be realistic, Landla, it game sometimes be dominated, but they never went behind it defensively and create chances. So I might as well say with that,
So because they were disrespecting the Pirates, because they were trying to, like you said, Michael, Utsbangene, like by Nyata, Abangenanga with that, Timbangene with logo Wutla with.
Ungena nomuntu last 2 weeks back umshaye 4. We after 2 weeks uzodlala naye. Lo muntu dula wena. Ngabu number 1 eligini. Yebo unalento ukuthi laba ngizobaphila.
Ukudla kwabo.
Kanti iPirates wona la ikhona ithini? Nithi nathi sifunile ntuzo. Sayifuna nathi lo mdlalo, selifuna nathi le cup, you understand? Beza nabo bazimisela ukudlula bona. That's why ngisho ngithi iPirates credit singayinika yona uJose Ro. The strategies engazi Sundowns noma bebangathi badlale for the next hour Sundowns was not going to score against the Pirates. The way they were going to score because ama set pieces iphela. Because njengoba ngisho Sundowns like kora khona kakhulu. They will score you more time ukubalandela and create space at the back. So iPirates what they did good. Azange bafuna ukwenzeni ba defend deep. And once I defend deep kunzima ukuthi udlale behind mina. That's why babona bo Shalulila, bo Reyners, abo Ribeiro. They couldn't have amabhola ukuthi bawuthole kuphi behind the defense. And then ale goal abalikorile mongabheka ukuthi vele style sabo sokukora. Badlale behind becela ukuba ifoul. If ureferee uchajile. Uyayibona ukuthi bengeke bakhona ubafike. Phela bathe bePirates ngoba yibo wadlala quick behind the defense. Ngoba ukuthi ukukora komuntu into abayenze good iPirates ilokuthi azange banika ama spaces ukuthi badlale behind the defense yabo azange bakhona ukuyithena idefense ePirates every time idefense ePirates behlala ibheke kuphi badlala lapha phambi it's fine for idefense kanjalo ngoma usadlala lana it's fine uzodlala amapress ubuyele emuva amapress lo but if uyangithena ayishi kuba ne problem that's why uzodinga ama wing kanjani you need ama wing azothena ama defense one on one ukuze create ama spaces so but kule game le Sundowns noma bebangathi badlale for the next 4 hours. I don't think Sundowns was going to score against the Pirates.
Junior, you beg to differ.
I know, I agree. In Sundowns for them, ukuthi ne Champions League by win now. Watching that game, angithi kunama team Champions League that they will come. Ngalesa strategy Champions League. Champions League they are technically they are not good ama truck lawo. Lengonya lezanga ama truck inganga lesini, yabo? if you go physic nabo nge-physic angeke win next yabo you need to play off ball yabo so ama-team bazoyithola leya nto bayitholile ku-Pirates i-strategy yabo each and everyone who's playing Sundowns bayazi you playing away home they will learn to dominate they will be build up and stuff yabona so Sundowns I think ngo-January they were supposed to sign a dribbling wizards experienced dribbling
Give us
wizards.
names, Junior, like who?
Yeah,
Ubani ongamfaka
I know
wena?
with your police, many people will say, Magaza go Sundowns, we go by traffic and stuff. But bring that boy. Yabo created that. Ne coach njengibona the selection yakhe lo mfana lo Maseko lo iwing odlala ngo left. Beyangekho kule game. Angene iphase nonke enhlanhla. Sometimes you get a team stereotype, static that will ezohamba nani, shape nje, shape. You need dribbling players. You need nhlanhla best player had players abawina amabhalando just passing the ball. 1, 2, 3, you can't you by contender, not winning. Messi, Neymar, and them individual. You need individual brilliance with Sundowns. January joba ngisho. For me, ngiyazi this boy vet boy sesemncane abantu bazothi ukumkhulisa. When you play against our players, you want to learn more. Yabo it's so more or less rebekhle mfuking. A police is supposed to bring lapha yana. You understand? So now lo mfana ukuhlwana coach must play him. Maseko must play. Kube ne shape up front. Ngoba Sundowns is good in terms of ball pass bonke. Phela the way bakora ngakhona. Badlala ngathi ba build up even up front. Njengale game ePirates they playing as if ba build up. Too slow man. Mina game kule I was talking about Nkuleke Stuart with a slow man. The way there was no way right to my can. Nami ngithema sengihlele endlini there was no way they could score goal.
Even after 3 hours.
Even noma bemathi 4 games the way badlala ngakhona like
Anthatha ama shots. Nifuna ukuze nisondele ube la kule cam you can't.
So going into the dying minutes of the game, right? Sekuyaminywa ke manje.
yeah
Would see, okay, noma yini can happen. Pirates needs to at least increase their chances of winning the game. And then Sundowns needs to score and maybe get to split the points. But that did not happen. Credit to who? Credit to what?
no mina credit to iPirates ngoba bawatholile ama point into important nge-football angisho sidlalela ukuwina
Angithi manje like much as sidlalela ukuwina
Yeah.
yazi thina like South Africa ngithi sithanda sibheke izinto ekungamelanga sisibheke. The bottom line of course is about scoring and getting the points going into the next game. Mara manje sithanda ukulandelela sisho ukuthi hayi leya game leyana if bebayenze sona so engathi manje igame idlalwa 3 hours.
yeah but ile nto engizongizama ukuyisho nanhlanhla ukuthi i-football ingenye indlela is not wonke ama-game ozowawina kamnandi some you wanna win bad yabo because football is business manje ayisekho lento ukuthi uzothi hayi sidlala ibhola elimnandi mara siluzile no we can play bad but masiwinile it's fine we take the 3 point we move forward we'll see in the next game because even Sundowns they're playing good football doesn't mean each and every game bawina ngokuthi they were playing good football some amanye ama-game awudingi ukuthi ube good you need to win them whether uyathanda uthanda njengay-Pirates they were needing ama-point if bebafuna ukudlala i-good football and then Sundowns badlala i-draw i-draw bengabafeyili they had ukuthi vele bayidle i-Sundowns so that's why ngisho ngithi sometimes you play good okay you play good you lose so thina which one is better I play bad ngiyawina or I play good I lose which one is better
3 points.
3 points into efunekayo
3 points.
kuphela hey
Yeah, I think true. When you win ugly, grinding results, true. I don't think you can remember which was a river lentayenzile kule game. Angeke I remember my magodlala. I know, yabo, and it becomes a habit. Yabo, when you win ugly, yabo, you mbonile u pump balls. If Pirates by goal qala, manje game ezoyidlala. Manje. Phela Pirates it disadvantage yabo they bana 4 games in hand. Bana disadvantage yabo. Le anto the way they won now, but they've got bana game. Jose Rivera I think into ngimbonile ngale game makayiwinile. Uzoba nayo this thing ukuthi oh kunamama game engawina so I believe I can win this way. Uzochubeka ngayo. But now it is advantage game mangithi mina going to this game it is advantage ezoba khona. When you win this way, you'll find a team that will be aggressive like the way babe aggressive ngakhona ku Sundowns. Now you'll see so many fouls. Red card, you will see frustration both team Pirates usabona ama 0-0 because they are chasing Sundowns. True. But chase ama point. Bona bana abanawo ama point. They are chasing bana games in hand.
Not
Psychological I don't think they are prepared but right. So in a disadvantage in advantage. Mhlambi Pirates can go back laba because Pirates first round in Nhlanhla exciting. Mfana lo lebegile. I'm sure even Sundowns supporters they wanted to see lo mfana umfukeng Nkotha. Ngisho first round of the season. dribbling teams. Pirates le mina ngiyazi ngiyibonile Gift, Cheese,
uLeslie.
Leslie. So, yabo passing proper midfielders. Which is manje obvious by Leka, but 3 up front. Pirates exciting khuluma nga first round. But now towards the season sophela. Man questionable. Gula sobona ukuthi Pirates kahle bana 11 eqalayo, but 11 9 individual kunomfuking, which is you can't rely uthatha Pirates ubeke umthwalo lo mfana. So ayibona manje nakule game lawa manje mina yiko ngakhona ukubanika ukuthi they can win the league. Wonke umthwalo bawunika lo mfana. Nhlanhla I can tell you each and every team play Pirates, that boy will assign somebody, team will assign somebody to take care of that boy. And the boy is still young growing up. So I'm need as a country.
Yeah.
So Tito is injured now. Nkotha on and off ezashilo Michael bebanganali side like right, which is, and they've been getting away. Ama game bawdlalile ufana royena khuphuka. Sometimes ushandu, sometimes unomfana umonyana. But now it seems uma game njengale game le eMarumo Kananza. Right, and then the Baba ne problem. Yeah. So yeah, but as ushilo Michael, sometimes it's about the results. At the end of the day, if Pirates win all the games, it's different to go by 3 points. Marabaga win if. So elezana manindi abazwajayelela ama games. Sinokudlala ne Raja or sidlale ne with at home as he dominate. Though the coach is different now. But this more take out the best out of individual players. Repair I know abomkwena they were like this before Urlan Joba Begalapa. Alend as well. And Ronan William, but him coming there, about Jaden alarms, sometimes they get you when you Jaden in the box. Sometimes Alend Begadla away. Alend you know what is gonna pass somebody. You want to score now. I think the coach created, I'm not too sure what to tell you. You see Jaden gonna balance. Jaden goes sit Alende. If Alende goes sit, so well done to balance. Yeah, I never made it each and every game. So I'm sure you will win the game all. That's why they're gonna the 3 legs are up in Bizin. They're gonna win in excess of coolies outside. Yeah, I pound to pound this.
And psychologically, the absence, we're not being controversial, the absence of Saleng in the Pirates team, do you think if they can reintroduce the boy back into the team, would there be a difference in the way they play?
Yeah, mina indlela engayisho ngoSaleng is an experienced player, and the Pirates yamdinga manje, because manje that's where they need wonke ama player manje. You need all your best players manje, ngoba manje badlala Champions League manje, balwela league in Sundowns. I think uSaleng ukuthi abuye, I think le into kumele bayicabange manje. They have to ukuthi bambuyise uSaleng, because uNkotha is siyavuma is a good player, but uNkotha is still young. The experience ephethe uSaleng noNkotha ayifani. You understand? And ngapha uRayile na usesomntwana uceda ukufika ngapha uNkotha yabo, but I think uSaleng man bamdinga uSaleng.
Yeah, the passing of scream Shabalala man, it's a problem. Preston kula umnida khona intweni so I'm sure Preston because solve very fast. It's because I'm going to direct to chairman with the Saleng adlala. And then so ibona isizini mayiphela umfana ama problems. Because sometimes in South Africa we deal with this situation. Ilimaza umfana career. Asisho ukuthi umfana o right lentines. We don't know what's behind. Namanje story ngaso.
Yes.
But ukubuyela kule point the question ukuthi bamnida uSaleng. I'm not a fan of the boy, but the boy has done well individual. No. Angithi mina no, we can't lie. The boy has done well. I'm say fan, but if we can be realistic, numbers don't lie.
True.
The boy changed the game for Orlando. Kunama game abawinele wona. Whether the way he plays, but the boy is so experienced as Michael. Uyakwazi ukutholakala endaweni right. He's got a big heart. Lamfani can do mistake and come back. He can miss 2 penalties now. He came on, and next week come and score a crucial game. If it was all the Sundowns I won, I think 2 years ago, I think in the cup, it means a special. I mean, you create a history. I don't remember a player, but if someone to spy in the history of books. But that boy, with history, Orlando Pirates is there. He scored crucial goals. So as an experienced player, true, right? They need him because it's so vital. Usaleng can give him a position, but Engimboni, you are going to change as a player. There is fully character. He's got a strong character. Well done, a strong mindset as well. Well done to him as a player. Yes, obviously it's a game of depression. As a player, but the boy, I can't lie. If I have to go to stats, there's no coach that can say I don't want him. I'm sure Kuku pay to a premiership. So they need him as an experienced player. le 4-1.
Yeah.
If he was there, ngale kragana lo, mhlambe it was noma ngabe winning the Pirates, different story. Maybe he was gonna score even 2 goals or 1. Idliwe Pirates or mhlambe kube draw because the best way to defend is to attack.
That's the best. That's the best.
Yeah.
So with that said, I think the 2-1 score, the reading of the games that we spoke about, and the coach's mind and analysis going forward, right? Bona mabayibheka le game le. Mindset, because we still have the Nedbank Cup that's coming, right? The Nedbank Cup final that's going to be decided, and we don't know who's going where, how, but we're still reeling on this weekend's game because ama game azodlala this week cannot be compared to the game that played on Saturday. Ukuya phambili, looking into that game, what can we expect from Pirates? What can we expect from Sundowns?
Yeah, before Junior Khanye khohla ningakhohla akuchintshanga nix yeah sesedladleni bayinabawo ningasabi namandla sitry nix anyway but we respect people. If you respect, you respect. Mara noma ungahloniphi thina we so humble. Namanje Junior Khanye himself akuchintshanga nix manibona letambula lethu. Bethele yaseCustoms visa ngeke ubuye imondo yona. Brazilian uyasalkhalo kuzalwa amaqanda akusila wazalwa nomali la vela le. Namanje asinyatsa amanye amakhasi. Yeah, nhlanhla ukuphendula. South Africa has got talent. Ivezile Pirates and Sundowns. If this boy Relebogile Mofokeng comes wenza lento yenza uRibeiro, it means South Africa has got talent. Ngihlala ngiquestion amene coaching. Yabo coaching, we've got scouting, question scouting and coaching. If la mfana uyavela be the way angakhona bamcompare nabo Ribeiro ku second season, it means South Africa has got talent. So in national team, if this team 2, the China national team, who is and say we've got a team, especially national team age. You cannot, I know with the standard, we can say questioning one team isn't a plan, another one try to play, but if you check, they can be in game. Pound to pound with players more or less the same. So in national team, I can say we are lucky as South African. We've got those 2 teams. Utito was not playing. I wish him being Fungumbone Soccer City in Lalegile match. But Relebogile, look at the age there. Looking at this boy as well, Sundowns true. Like I need to be honest. Reyners long imbonile mina kuStellenbosch even now the improvement. So players as ngisho Mkwena ngathi umuntu omdala udlala ngathi is experienced player. So in national team beneficial going to this game forward. I'm sure you go Prosinhlo ngeke samphatha.
Yeah, because njengoba
yeah, Pirates and Sundowns for me national team I will go there. Pirates angifuni ukuyidelela Nhlanhla, don't think ukuthi yamdele. Just ngithema ngichecka in the history Sundowns benginika that edge but ngisurprisile Pirates and going forward I know ukuthi ngeswabona ama game njengalawo. Sibona once Pirates and Sundowns igame intensity high, the quality of football and yasphethe talent eSouth Africa mfethu.
But then why is Petty Talent singakwazi ukuya phesheya kakhulu Junior? Also buya ku Michael.
Phesheya yazi wena iphesheya wona Nhlanhla injani ne? Let me tell you about South Africa. South Africa ifana la manye amakhanda. Because if you check iPSL standards akhona manje like it's improving in terms of imali na everything yabo because angeke uthole player manje you find njengoRelebogile is 19 20 is playing senior team manje mhlawumbe uhlala kweTownhouse they are paying him good money yini into asafuna ukuyela phesheya.
But remember angithi amaphupho ethu awafani, right? You don't want to be domestically great, but you want to be globally great.
Yeah, but
what people aspire to become.
Into emongayibheka into esiyela kakhulu ngaphandle yini?
For me, ngiyezwa le part yemali, but any exposure opens up your mind greater than anything else will. Because maula usekazi, like in everything oyenza, uba comfortable espacing esiwan. Because ujwayela kasithu barutlayela mahulu, like ujwayela ukuthi ulala, yonke into oyenzayo, like you don't even make the effort. But mawukude nasekhaya, you think back. Ukuthi enhle la ngibuya khona kunjani. That's when the aggression of chasing your dream comes in and donning different jerseys of international games. Because Maskula, Sharps, Biggie Cheese, Pirates, and Sundowns, these are the big 3 in South Africa.
Yes.
But you've got your La Liga, you've got your EPL, you've got your Bundesliga. Like there's so many different leagues that you aspire to go to. But then manje masos jela ukuthi hayi as long as nginenyuko yokubhayidlala ngibhayitrans ngigrand, but that's not where it ends.
Yeah, yona lapho but ukhumbule ukuthi nalo lelo phupho lisuka likuphi njengoba ngisho manje let's say njengomfukeng manje okay noma bangathi ama team ayamfuna ngaphandle but yena manje uzibona seka right because he's earning a salary. Uyayibona lento leyo.
But uzibona seka-right, aholi salary.
Yeah, ngapha udlala ku-first team, ngapha usese yi-youngster. You understand lento leyo. If you go to other countries, you go to Ivory Coast, Nigeria, when you compare to i-league yakhona compared to i-PSL, that's where ubona lama player wababalekela Europe at an early age, because umuntu udlala i-first team is earning 7,000, 5,000 rand. Mawubheka i-stadium adlala kiso, uyabona, but mawubheka la South Africa, bheka i-PSL idlala kuma-best stadiums. Stadium World Cup, you understand?
Yeah.
But when you go to these other African countries, that's why ubathola nabasuka la manye country abo beza la ku-PSL. But umuntu masebafike la ku-PSL, abasafuna ukuya ndawo. Hayi kumnandi, abantu babona kumnandi.
And nina niyawazi umnandi wakhona ne?
Yeah, mina ngidlalile okay na overseas ngidlalile, but ngizokutshela like overseas into emnandi ngayo, into futhi abasihlula ngazo, like overseas into emnandi ngayo, like i-development. That's why ubona lento ngele ngayisho last ukukhohlwa abantu ngabona mangibatshela ngithi Europeans abasihlule nganext. The only thing they take serious with the development yabo. When they start preparing players, they start preparing player from
At
an
an
early
early
age.
age, yeah.
You
Like
understand?
from 3 years old.
And the
yeah.
moment you pega labo bantu labo thina South African players, we were born with natural talent. Raw talent is na raw talent ukuzalwa ngaphandle ukuthi bokujimisa. But the raw talent ngoba manje mongayikazi uzothola into ena 6 years marita lecture zone. You won't believe. We are one with the raw talent is now. But imagine if we get that boy athola a proper development from the age of 6. Age of 6 ngitshele lapho kulo muntu lo emakade 13 years uzoba powerful kangakanani. 13 14 years uzobe seka powerful kakhulu. Bheka umfukeng unjani manje. Imagine if he was developed at an early age. Let's say he was developed from the age of 5 6 athola a proper development. Ngabe sikhuluma ngokuthi unjani manje.
Yeah,
Because-
Nhlanhla, just to kuphendula sorry Michael. If you can get Relebogile Mofokeng abayi-7. One is playing
Yes, Kukuni.
in Spain.
Okay.
Getafe or Villarreal yabona, or Atletico Madrid. And you get to another Relebogile Mofokeng playing Man City. In England, you get another Relebogile Mofokeng playing probably in France, the Ligue PSG. I know good actually Richard Njengabo but it's the biggest because badlala Champions League now. Monaco and stuff. Is a benefit national. Will be broad. Our players psychologically will be strong. You can be so talented, but talent only is not enough. So once we get players exposed in Europe, it's easy. You cannot go to PSL when players are in Europe. Upike one for national team. You will get players who are exposed, who are playing Champions League, who are playing with experienced players, top players. I mean, it builds character. Now, if we have only PSL players, it's sometimes just not Nhlanhla. Whether people bazifihla bayenzani, sifika ku-AFCON kanje ku-semi-final, those players for them, ibancedile nabo ukudlala i-Champions League phela.
And they're playing the World
Yes, credit
Club
to
football
Pitso.
now.
Exactly, mfethu. Uma bodlala ngiyabona abantu bayifihla this thing with sometimes they're going to i-World Cup. Akusipapa le. Look at the teams that will be here in Nhlanhla. No. Ngisho ama-team azobe ku-Club World Cup. Not everybody can be there. And we can't expect Sundowns ukuthi win it. It's
Yeah.
another.
Together.
That's why singa-expect
But
ukuthi Sundowns win. Ibodlala nabantu they are technically superior.
true.
Proper developed. As Michael asho, when we played junior international, I remember somebody so like France Toulon Cup, myself, she's gift. Sasquatini Sol Rato Shabang, Richard Ranj, Dent Lady, Masilo Mutabi Niga.
Yeah.
Under 23 to be strong. As Bamba 13-1, Brazil. Group stages. And then we never even went through. The coach was Steve Compella, assistant was Ramedi Tswaka, technical director. Technical director was this guy. We go Pitso Msimane. Speto Onkamachul is talented youngsters was South African. Show star players as well as South Africa. We beaten 18-1. Nge talent, I would be snaba mish. But those guys, they do simple thing, basic. If it's time, but understand and it's cut. They understand. They don't waste time. If it's Magmelak take on Abam Jade, he knows because the proper development. Also the coaching point in South Africa. Last time I had to Floyd in Farouk, Baning about the competitive gate like South Africa coaching, we can't falter those coach. But mom check on the field with the job map questionable. Questionable with okay. Uboni team Shamalep, other coaches, high profile coaches, but when Malik and stuff, team is second ball. Started to bona lapi coaching with the problem. So those people, my class for my coach. Farouk was always saying to me. So they develop players, but also they've got proper coaches, top class coaches to develop players. Yeah.
And then, Michael, I just want to go back to that point, Yoguti. There's no need to go abroad because we've got the money. But coming back to Junior's point, Yoguti, we need that international exposure because at some point we need to win the World Cup. How are we going to win the World Cup if we do not ply our trade or exercise the level of our psychological thinking in the game? Ukuthi isise to that global stage.
Yeah, mara but nanhlanhla nemongabheka nini. Does it mean ukuthi manginama player ay 45? Let's say I've got 45 players in South Africa, sinama player 45 or kan. Does it mean ukuthi win World Cup? Let's say sinama player adlala abroad. Does it guarantees us ukuthi lento lesizo win World Cup ngoba sine player dlala Madrid sine player dlala yini? Into engimele ngisingayibalekeli i1 nhlanhla. Bheka ama player develop eSouth Africa ukuthi abuyaphi. First batholi player libuya from an amateur. Developer i-coach yasekazi. I-coach yasekazi mangathi uyamlandelela. Ilento engisho ngithi even iSafa is not doing enough for labantu basekazi because ama player elokishini if you go to Europe ku Barcelona manje let's say uya you trial. Kune under 6 ku Barcelona manje. They've got their own players abakhulisa from an early age. You understand? Baba abantu laba. But when you come to South Africa, utholi player dlala elokishini, developer i-coach yaselokishini. Liyamtrainisa for the sake of training. Le coach izithandela ibhola yena. But ngokwesikolo akazi ukuthi okay, if ngicoach umntana ona 6 years, mele ngimprepare kanjani like in terms of i-development yakhe. Akazi ukuthi mele ayenzeni. You understand lento leyo. 13, masekathi 14 eSouth Africa yazi kwenzakalani. Sesifuna ukumdlalisa iChiefs under 13 or Sundowns or a School of Excellence. That boy is 15. Sesifuna ukumdlalisa under 13. Sihamba somehlisela iminyaka. Uyodlala nabantu abanangaki. He's 15, but he's going to play nabantu abanangaki abana 13. Uyofika kulabantu abana 13 abenjani. Angeke abe best. Uyoba best ngoba udlala nabantwana abancane. But into efuneka njengoba ngisho ukuthi this so called ama iSafa into ekumele iyenze kube nama sponsors. The so called big teams. Iqale from under 5. iChiefs mayicala udevelop mele ibe na under 6. Because mongabheka wonke lama players adlala iPSL asinayo i-development wesingabalandelela ukuthi lo from at this age some from la so. You understand? Yinto mina engiyibona ukuthi like eSouth Africa iyashaya ngoba but mangithi ngiyibheka lento if njengami if I was proper develop mangifike eFrance ngabe labantu laba mhlambe ngabe ngibahlule ngento eziningi but mangifika le okay nginaso iskill ngina everything but masikhuluma ngetechnique ukukhahlela ibhola ukuswitch ibhola uyayibona ukuthi labantu laba uyababona ukuthi okay le into abayimasterayo angeke ubayenze next ngayo ngoba into abakhula nayo phela those people babafundisa ukushaya step over which means into azangafundiswa into engikwazi ukuziyenzela yona ukuthi ngashaya step over but those guys babafundisa ukwenza step over. It shows lento lokubonisa ukuthi bona ngepreparations basihlula ngepreparations but in terms of talent angeke basihlule. So eAfrica mongathi uyabheka that's why kuhlala kunale inkinga lezi bathi age cheating nani yizo lento lezo because people uthola umuntu ona 15 uyakapha iminyaka yodlala iChiefs under 13 into ayifuna yiyo leyo ukuthi abe ku system adlala iChiefs kuphela. But if we have players masinjoba ngisho if iChiefs mangaba ne under 6 uyabona ukuthi umuntu soba ne profile yakhe from kupha sesemncane sazi ukuthi lo u6 years udevelop iChiefs wasuka la waya kuphi.
Yeah, I think the problem is ukuba lazy. Teams are lazy recently. It's about who you know. The scouting part is the problem. It's about it's one call away. Nalento database whereby they hardly see players bazibonele yabo. It's about Onara whatever chairman into show each and every year mhlambe nenza ama trial kuza 2000 kuza 200,000 people but infinity defend one and ukhuluma no Juvenile Zebra yakho yazi ukuthi okay ngiy honor this thing I'm not going to select anyone. We no longer do proper scouting in South Africa. Proper scouting. Problem iqala la. As Ashu Michael, we don't invest. We've got money to get rich in terms of our resources, but we don't invest go football properly. Must to invest in properly. We're not talking about Petri Premiership. That's not where we are supposed to invest a con. Akumelanga invest la ceiling. The foundation. Yabo as ngisho kunama kune project njenge School of Excellence. If I school phuma labafana bomapeni studies been given a chance kune sisho sithi only good has been given a chance. If bakhipha labafana laba kuphume nabo Vet Boy Cape Town City young player.
But even about Tabo Khomkwena comes from the school's
I think the super sport.
Yeah, but he was playing Kubo. It's not Clapham. There's another one in Bloemfontein. that he played for.
Yeah,
Abo
yeah.
Kodisang Kobamelo
Yes.
also come from
Yeah, I
those
think ile
structures.
yasemayini
Yeah,
Harmony,
yes,
yes.
yes,
True,
Harmony.
la ukwapha bathole
Yeah.
khona. So, isikole ama resources. Isafa is Michael Ash. Will I suffer School of Excellence used to be suffer taking care of that development. Yabo? Bring proper coaches, not coaches that deserve to be there. Coaching proper scouts as well. But develop a scout. Again, any mistake is in South Africa. We want to coach players that are not talented. First, it has to be a talented
Yeah.
player,
That
and
you
then it was
nurture
be
it
coach.
so that, yeah.
So at the early age, like Michael is saying, when you look at the profile of Chita Labona, Messi, Neymar, Elisco Nazario, Kaká, in Henry Iniesta, Mfana Loyamala, look at good about it's different at the age of 4 years. 4 years. In Germany, they started at age Maulandela. When you look at the history, 4 years. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I believe me in Atlanta. If really we're doing things properly in South Africa in terms of scouting and also invest in development, for me, you understand, South African resources no Michael Asho.
Yeah.
In Shanghai, they are not born with the talent. But those guys, they take development very serious. They invest in football, young at good development. 4 years, 6 years, players, we are preparing. Be patient, but patient. They don't, abashama cut and piece, you understand? And they don't, shortcuts about you see players, Mabapuma, it's something else. They benefit, they look at it, a football event, like Faruk always say, a football event, and investment in football, grassroots, I think it's very important. Nalente school, soccer, ngibona bayikhansele best benefit yakho thina abanye sibuya khona la. I'm sure Michael we are there, baningi the list goes on. And there's a tendency in South Africa to kill talented players. Mina ngihlale ngimention ngiyazi it sound boring. Neymar if was born here ngaba Samboni. Yabo these guys basihlonipha umsebenzi but kunesikhathi spare time sabo. In South Africa we don't understand it. Sifuna le negativity and one side thola siyenze iparty and we destroy. So I think naleyo nto bele silungise enhlanhla.
Ziningi into ekumele sizilungise, but let's just send a few shout outs to the people that are currently watching live. Ntuduzi Charles Sibia, we got you. Khopotso Moloi, we got you. Bongani Mkhunu, Lucky, we got you. Msibi Waga Kasa, we got you. Y2K Legend, we see you too. Sfisos Tole, we see you too. Nefat Ngube, Sisonke. So these are the people that are currently watching. Okay, we're wrapping this up, right? And we need to wrap it up in really move. Who's going to win the league this season?
Obuza mina qala.
Wena so shilo.
Okay. Abe ngifuna ukuyiphinda
Mara ngifuna ukuba sure ukuthi
mindset.
like awukachange
Ibhale-
mindset yakho after this
ibhale
conversation.
phansi.
Ngibhale phansi.
Yeah, mina
If
ngifuna
people
ukuthatha
can.
iball pen nesikhathi.
Enhle go thi ngibhale phansi.
Yeah, I wish man ngathi unga-check isikhathi kungabu 5 to 3 and stuff uyibhale phansi.
All right, sharp. Ubheke nesikhathi.
Lezi downs sizoyiwina ileague. Ngizwile
Yeah,
sister.
Sundowns.
Downs they are going to win the league. And igrand inhlanhla ingabi obvious.
Sure.
Well done to Paris. And be safe for pushing the Sundowns because it's accessibly obvious. Yeah, they are no longer leading, but second comfortable. Now by us, it's a must win the next game.
Sure.
Sundowns done.
Azohamba nami Sundown.
Ah,
No, yazi ngisho kanjani phela. Mangisho kanjalo nanhlanhla ngifuna ungimamele phela. Phela. Mina ngithi kuwe iPirates the 4 games
sure.
in hand ayifana nama point. Yabona ngabe bebasebanawo lama point. Ngabe ngizobanikeza kanje. But that's why ngisho ngithi asibalinde. Sibalinde ngale 4 game inenze sibone ukuthi bazoyenza. Yeah, mara bona akuzoba nzima bona ngama game asesikhwameni.
Asabalindi sesiyayivala.
Yeah.
So between the two, who's going to take the league? uJunior Sekashilo wena uthini? Hawo khohlwa ama games in hand nani nani sila.
Ayizothatha sometimes. Ayizothatha.
Anhlanhla kuliwe
Yo,
phela.
Ah kona kusukuthi nini bona.
Singalo.
Unfortunate situation.
Either way kungakhona.
Yeah, because mongathi uyababheka nabo kwamanye ama games wabo bane consistency bona. Like iPirates into ebashaya kakhulu. Ilento ukuthi abana consistency. Ba win ama games but bano drop ama points and mongayibheka iSundowns ya win 5-6 games. Ngaphandle ukuthi drop ama points, yebo. Bheka igap manje ithini?
Eish. Ikhulu le
18
gap.
points.
The problem bayenzile ukungadlala ama game. They were supposed to play other games. I don't understand ukuthi Sundowns mayidlala why they were postponing their games. Now it's a problem psychological. I don't think
izobashaya.
balimaze kakhulu.
All right, okay. Junior, thank you so much ne for invite her. When ura stand wang chiftela taina sihlalo hlala. Michael, thank you so much for joining us, and to everybody else that's been watching this episode, sorry, thank you so much for joining us. Asazi yeni nikhaya nithini, Sundowns, Pirates, all can happen, angaz. But do engage us on social media. This has been an absolute great time that I had here. Khohlwa Junior Khanye, sponsored by World Sports Betting. Hashtag betting with the best. Hashtag WBS. That is us signing out. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and engage on the comment. Adios.
Yeah, it's from manje Junior Khanye ngiyabonga kakhulu sisiza manje inhlanhla ishambula lethu. Thanks to Michael Nkambule Zizo for ukuthi bazwakale. iJunior Khanye Khohla sisazochubeka ngalesi preview, match review. I mean to say, and iJunior Khanye, our guest is sisazoba invite. Mind we're building up Junior Khanye top 8 KO. 50,000 the winner take long. Ngisho next week singoba sizobe sibuild up phela for a tournament. Siphethe enye mfethu angeke ngimention igama yakho. Ngathi dlala ngezandla so phansi. It's like ngathi kukinya udlala talented, but I won't mention question mark namanje on.